Welcome back to the wild. It's Cypress, and as you can tell from the thumbnail, we're doing an unboxing today. One of my wild things has sent me a care package for the cats. This is one of those Vortex rugs. I don't know if you've seen them. I hadn't. Apparently you put them down and they look like there's a hole on the floor. And one of my subscribers thought it would be really fun to experiment on the kitties. You may recognize her name. It's Reiki Girl. She's a frequent flyer in the comments section. Reiki Girl told me that one of her friends has one of these mats and the cats wouldn't go near the hole for several days. So we're curious to see what these cats' reaction is gonna be. I'm game. Let's open this up and find out. You wanna see what's in here? Kitty, 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 kitties. Come on. Well, we've got two here right now. I don't know where the other two are. Kitty, 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 kitty. They've been fed. They have no interest in what's going on. All right, guess it's just me and the boys right now. Oh, it's soft. I did not expect it to feel so soft. That's a little trippy. All right, that is the best way to set this down on the floor. What do you think? Is there a hole there? So this is working as a half a cat trap, isn't it? Get this to lay flat. Now I did do a little research, and some of the reviews for these, there's a lot of different manufacturers selling them. Some of them claim to be fairly cheap. This one does not feel cheap, but it is very small, and I've seen where these get a lot bigger. What do you think, little man? The trick is, will they step in the hole or will they walk around it? So far he's hovering at the hole. I should not have done this right after dinner, huh? You guys are just happy and sleepy. Yeah. Well, there you have it. After only one moment's hesitation, he's over it. Okay, that's 1 out of 4 not fooled at all. Yeah. But you like it. We may have a new cat bed. What do you think? All right, looks like we're gonna have to see what the rest of the cats think of this once they get out of their food comas. Should have planned this out better. You ready to play? Well, I got something to show you. Yeah? Hold on, I'll get it. You see something new? Yeah? What do you think? He's still feeling lazy. Do you notice this is new? You haven't seen this before or smelled it before. No reaction? No reaction? And 2 for 2, we have an immediate focus on the center of the hole. You like it? Is it comfy? I don't think this is a cat repellent. I think it's a cat trap. Yes, we have a cat trap. A very successful one. Yes. Huh? Right on the hole. You like it? Maybe they are seeing the illusion, but they're going for it instead of away from it because it's small, so it doesn't look deep. And they want to fit in it. I don't know. Oh, we can play the mouse under the rug game. This is one of their favorite games. Where is it? And number 3. Doesn't seem to be phased. A little bit of a sniff. Way more interested in the game than the mat. Where is it? Yeah, she likes this game so much, she will ignore it until it goes back under the rug. Well, I don't know how she feels about the illusion, but I think this is her new favorite mouse under the rug. You can feel it better than the scratch mat, huh? Yeah? There we go. And the third one, checking the hole out. So it seems to me that they are reacting to the illusion. They see the hole, but they want to go in it rather than avoid it. Yeah. Cat trap worked for number 3. Right in the middle. Right in the hole. Yeah. Is it comfy? What's underneath, huh? What's underneath? Oh, the hole doesn't go all the way through, does it? It just looks like it. It looks like a little tunnel that goes right in there, doesn't it? Yeah, clearly they're loving how easy this is to get up under. In the past we had been playing this game. Well, here. Ugh. This is what we've been playing this game with, the scratch mat. And it's heavier and it's stiffer. I think that the sisal mat makes it harder for them to feel underneath. So I think they're really enjoying just the different weight and thickness and texture of this. No reaction. 1 second pause. That's it? You just want rugs? You don't care about a rug with a hole in it? Yeah, she's not interested. She sees it and doesn't care. It's okay, you're not required to care. No. Okay. Ugh. What do you think? Again, no reaction. Well, I guess we have a verdict. Out of 4 cats, 3 of them took a second to look at the image on the mat and then went right for the center. And our 4th one, oh, well, what do you think? Okay, she didn't do it immediately, but she too had to check out the center of the hole. This may be a next level cat trap. Yeah? Okay. 4 out of 4 cats agree it is cool to sit in the hole. So, Reiki girl, if you're watching, and I know you are, thank you. The cats love it. We're gonna get a lot of hours of play out of this. I'm sorry that they were not unnerved by the hole like they were supposed to be, but they like it. So they're getting enrichment, and we've got a new playmat. Yeah. Side note, this one is kind of tacky on the bottom. This might stay put on a like a linoleum, or I want to say hardwood floor, but it's that thing that people get now that's not a hardwood floor, the laminate flooring. It might not move. So I don't know what brand this is. It didn't come with any information. It wasn't even in a package. It was just the bag. This is a no-name brand. I like it. The cats apparently love it. See, she's making up for lost time now. What do you think? Do you have cats and a Vortex rug? How did the cats handle the Vortex rug when you brought it home? I don't know. This is a new concept to me. I think it's pretty funny. Show Reiki Girl some love in the comment section if you want. And again, thank you, Reiki Girl, for entertaining my cats. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep cat playtime wild. See, hi? She's not impressed. Now that we've had this rug for a little while, I can tell you that the cats are all over it every time we get it out. They've decided that this is their playmat / king of the mountain spot / grooming mat. If I haven't played with them in a while, one of them will go find the rug and pull it out. So, yeah,